Who doesn't love fried chicken? My family loves these chicken tenders with this creamy honey mustard. Let's dig right in. But first, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can always stay updated on all of my latest videos. For this recipe, we will be using 3 pounds of chicken tenders. I like using tenders because they are already cut up in the perfect strip and it is the most tender part of the chicken. Let's add a teaspoon each of salt, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes. Next, add 1 cup of buttermilk and give this a nice mix. Set this aside for an hour or overnight for best results. Now take 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. We are just going to mix all of this with the flour. Now dredge the chicken in the flour to make sure it is nicely coated. Shake off all the excess flour and set this aside for 10 minutes so that the coating sets on the chicken. Next, deep fry this in hot oil. Make sure you do not overcrowd the pan. We want to deep fry for just a total of 6 minutes, flipping sides after 3 minutes. After 6 minutes, we will remove these from the hot oil and place them on a rack so that any excess oil can drip off. Let's finish frying all of our chicken tenders. Now let's make the luscious honey mustard. All we need is a cup of mayo, and to this we are going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard. Next, we are going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey, depending on how sweet you want, and just mix this up really well until combined. My honey mustard looks perfectly creamy and delicious. Time to serve our delicious fried chicken tenders with honey mustard. This is a real treat. It is equally loved by children and adults. I have to make this at least once a week for my family because it is such a favorite in our home. Let me know how you like this recipe and don't forget to share the video with your friends. I'll be back soon with more easy and delicious recipes.